friends, episode 50, a windy day. The next day was windy. The wind was strong. Yay, said Pig. I will fly my kite today. Pig ran with the kite. The kite went up, up, and up. Up, up, up. The kite went in the sky. People the start. The kite turned. People the start again. The kite did not. This is so much fun, said Pig. I will fly my kite all day. Wow, said Bat. Look out for the tree, said Cow. Pig pulled the start again. The kite did not more look. You're really good at that, said Cat. Thank you, said Pig. He pulled the start again. The kite stood up. The kite stooped down. The kite curled into the trees.